So that's me leaving home for a exciting trip of around 30 hours, I guess, probably gonna be more, and that's in drive time. I'm gonna travel down to Serbia with a few stops such as Germany, Hungary, and Serbia then. So yeah, I probably won't do much filming while driving. I mean, can you imagine that? 30 hours of driving. If shit happens, like cars breaking down or stuff like that, then I will probably update you. But that, and of course stuff like that will happen. It's just that I hope they don't. And of course I'm starting off driving the wrong way. Can't remember, I took this way down last time, but okay, let's turn the car over. The first thing we will do is to fuel her up. I probably should have had a empty jug with fuel. Should I bring one? Fuck. Yeah, let's bring the empty jug and then fuel the car, and then we're off. Well, I'm on my way south to Serbia, as I said. First stop is Germany, but if you remember last year, I got a visit from Mirko, and he's currently on his way up to Sweden. So we're gonna hook up here in Halmstad in southern Sweden on the west coast to say hi. They are just like 5 minutes away, and it's gonna be great to see them before I continue my journey even more south.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where this story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna flight than fight.
So I've been driving through the night. The clock is, let me see, 5:30 in the morning, and I'm a bit into Germany. I'm way ahead of schedule. So the guys, the English lads, are in Holland at Bardo's XXL, staying the night there, and yeah, I think they will start moving midday tomorrow, so they will arrive at Schlossegg at, yeah, the evening, they say. So I got some time to kill over there as well. Well, that was, I think, 2 hours of quality sleep. And I'm just gonna jump up on the Autobahn now. Yeah. It's a sunny day here in Germany. Got 6.5-7 hours left, maybe, of continuous driving. That does not mean that I will be there by then. So I've been in the car for 25 hours now, and with only a couple hours of sleep, I still feel pretty fresh. We have the last 15 minutes left now. It's the wrong, I don't know what you call it, hertz. So the screen on the phone was a bit shifty. But it says 14 minutes and I'm about to make a right turn here. And I think I'm just ahead of England and Netherlands and Germany. As always. I mean, it's not hard to be ahead of England. It's a bit hard to be ahead of the XXL Boomstam Tuffles. If you think you're up early, Bardo's up earlier. If you think you're up late, he's up later. Let's see. How to not film or drop a action 4. But camera looks solid, which is fucking crazy.
Caught in every moment, I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep on glowing. Yeah, I love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do to stop my heart for you. Just keep your head up high. Yeah, hold your head up high. I know sometimes.
So I just woke up. It's, I think it's 8:30. Had a great night in the tent. I don't know if Joe is sleeping behind me. If he does, he's sleeping in because he told me that he was gonna call me when he woke up. Magnificent that. Today, I think the plan is to mill that ugly thing. Short but big. Anyways, time for breakfast, and I guess I'll record and film when stuff happens.
Just keep your head up high. Hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, fake dreams. Trying to find your way in. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side. Even I'll never leave, you know, I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave your side. No, I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave, I'll never leave your side. I'll never leave, you know that I'll never leave, you know, I'll never leave your side.
So we're currently setting up the mill for yeah, it's the, I think it's an 84 inch. Yep, 84 inch bar. And since this is a brand new fresh bar, brand new fresh chain, brand new sprocket, I use gear grease. Don't mind the brand, anything works, but I use gear grease and basically just fill the groove. So it's packed with stuff that will help lubricate and serve when shit gets hot, like that. I even pack every one of these, hard to do with one hand, before you put the chain on. And then also you have a small hole here on the side on both ends. Push some in there while you're turning the nose sprocket for extra protection, especially when it's a brand new chain on a brand new bar. You don't want that to destroy each other prematurely. So that's where we're at. Let's continue. So we're currently milling down below and found this chain got quite dull from nowhere, and after some what should I say, after some minor I'm just gonna jump over this wall. But after some tries to grind it, and then we tried again, we blowed the crack out with a leaf blower and found this massive stone. And I think Joe is at it to try to get it out. Yep. Yep. Quite far.
zo. Maar goed dat je zo, als je daar doorheen gaat moet rollen, dan breek je al je kettingen.
Ja, er blijft weinig van over.
Zo, er blijft
Blow
niet
it
van
out
over.
a bit more. See if there's anything else in it. Watch your faces.
Ja, kijk, kijk.
Time to climb. Time to climb.
And probably because when I put the rock,
We might lose that. Loses the yellow. Mine.
Yeah, 100%.
Probably, I don't know.
Real wrong end peg in, like.
Oh. 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 Yeah, stones. Sticks and stones will break Thomas' bones.
Xylo's chains.
Yeah. So it just grinds it a bit
Spin it.
wonky.
Stones in sticks will break your chains.
Yeah.
It was cheap.
But we can always buy another one.
Wonder how we do this.
Freehand.
Do you think we could get that end up
there.
enough to get your jack
There.
under it and just fucking snap it up?
You can see where it is, right?
Yeah.
So if you go like with
Yeah.
a free hand,
That's it, eh?
cut a little bit like here and there,
Yeah.
and then break it
Snap
out.
it
Yeah.
up.
You bend over now.
The chain's a bit loose, so watch it.
Got a feeling.
I think I'll go. Oh! I'll get a...
What's your back?
Oh!
Like dragon eggs. How far did I come?
Lot.
Yeah, wait.
Just a little one.
But has something been hit down here as well then? Because it wouldn't go this way either, would it?
Ah, wait, there's more. Yeah.
I hope we do, because that's what I'm going.
That's a cool print. The rock has been there for a long time and really got engulfed with. That's a sink.
Caught in every moment. I see the sun on your face. Hopeful eyes keep them glowing. Yeah, I love you more than words could say. There's nothing you could do to stop my heart for you. Just keep your head up high. Yeah, hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. I promise I'll stay. Yeah, I promise I'll stay. If you could see what I see, the lonely nights overcome, you'd be proud, yeah, believe me. You'd be proud. Child, you've already won. Yeah, there's nothing you could do to keep my heart from you. Just keep your head up high. Hold your head up high. I know sometimes there are things you don't understand. Broken roads, faded dreams. Been trying to find your way again. I'm seeing your tears, I'm hearing your cries, but know that I'll never leave your side, even in the change. I won't walk away. No, I promise I'll stay.
So, the boys finished the log. It's all stacked up there, over there. Now we're going up there because they have put some food up on the barbecue. And to be honest, I'm starving. I'm so hungry. So this will be not only good but great. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.